In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever matched a deposit incorrectly or need to clean up a duplicate, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and confidently. First, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left panel, click Accounting. This takes you into the area where you manage accounts and transactions. From there, open the Bank Transactions tab. Depending on your view, it may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the Banking Transactions feed where your connected accounts show their activity. Next, find the deposit you want to delete in the list of transactions. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the date, amount, and bank account. It's a good idea to note those details before you delete, so you can rematch or redeposit correctly later if needed. Click on the deposit to open its details, then click on Match. This takes you to the matching screen where QuickBooks shows what that deposit is linked to, such as one or more customer payments or sales receipts. Here, you'll see a hyperlink that leads to the matched deposit's details. Go ahead and click that hyperlink. It will open the full details for the matched deposit, which you can review and edit. This is your last chance to make sure you're working with the correct transaction. If everything checks out and you truly want to remove it, look toward the bottom of the screen for the More button. Click the More button and you'll see the option to delete. Select Delete. QuickBooks will show a final confirmation to make sure you really want to remove this deposit. This step helps prevent accidental deletions that could throw off your records. When you're ready, click Delete Transaction. That's it. The deposit is now removed. The underlying payments or sales receipts that were previously matched typically remain in your records, so you can rematch or handle them properly afterward. If the deposit was reconciled in a prior period, be aware that deleting it can affect your reconciliation and reports, so double-check with your accountant if you're unsure. A quick refresh of the banking page can help you confirm the transaction's gone. And that's all. You've successfully deleted a deposit in QuickBooks Online using the Match Details and More menu. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video if you need to follow along again.